Hello there, this is Makramai Ibrahim, and I'm going to present to you the ContosoUniversity web application for CIT 365 Brother Blizzard. And I'm going to go ahead and run that, Control F5, and here it's coming up. Here how it looks like as the requirements state that I need to have an image at least, and I have an image in here. Her logo, BY University is what I came up with. I'm gonna go to the students. I can create. Let's have test. I think because I put my name before, I just want to make sure that. And let's have, and okay, I have, here I go. So details, go back, excuse me, and if I want to delete that, I just go ahead and delete that, delete it. And if I'm gonna sort, I can sort by name, by even date. Okay, I'm gonna go to the courses, and here it is. I can edit if I want. So 4 and 3. Let's have 4 credit economics, and here it is. Details shows back. If I want to delete that, I'm just gonna delete it. And if I want to create one, oh, I forgot to validate. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna validate title, CIT grade 4. Just all right. Here it is. And if I go to instructors, I can do the same. I can view the details, I can edit, and I can select. For example, literature, I'm going to select that, and I'm going to give you exactly the student's name and the grade. Department, details, it's going to show me the details, and go back. So this is all, and about just state the course that I'm taking, and the instructor's name and my name. Please, if you have, oh, I forgot also to show you that also my search is working. Let's see, and all right, let's see, Elon. Oh, I forgot that I don't have Elon here, but at least yeah. Alright, so even the search is working. Please, if you have any question, let me know. Thank you very much.